Being recorded. All right. So we are doing the Close Invocation. So we're going to get an object from Babette. What's an object?
Um,
So is it I
something then. Oh, sorry.
sorry again, what's the invocation?
Okay. It is description of it.
It is
Yep. You are my relationship to it.
thou are,
Yeah, you are. Then thou art the God,
then I
bringing it
am.
to God-like status, and I am. Yeah. All right. What was the object, Babette?
I choose another one. A toaster oven.
A toaster oven. Okay, awesome, fantastic. Okay, so who has an inspiration for it is?
It is hot. It is compact. It is intense in terms of heating, making things crunchy, tasty, or just nice and toasty.
Great.
They call it a toaster oven.
Great.
It's a modern day miracle. It's an oven in your pocket.
You are the toaster oven that I rely on every morning before I go to work with my roasted cheese. Because that cheese, I've never had a toaster oven that it is so good at making the beautiful melting and then the browning of the cheese. You are the thing I can rely on, the appliance I can rely on. If you ever die, I don't know what I'm going to do.
Thou art my sun. You are hot and melting, everything I need. Thou art the center of my universe. My breakfast evolves around you, and I don't know what to do if you die. My toaster oven, my son.
I am the power. I give it and I can take it away. The heat, the source of your nutrition. I can decide not to work one day. So you are all at my mercy because I am the all powerful oven toaster.
Very good.
Mom, it's it doesn't taste good. What have you done?
What?
It's sushi.
What? What? Like, it's breakfast.
It's like bread, but not as it used to be.
Yeah, it's that. Yeah, it's just that, you know what? I just took whatever I saw in the fridge. It looked like bread, seems like bread. It was a little bit brown and gray and green. There might have been something that was wiggling on it. I'm not so sure, but because it came from the freezer, so you never know. Just shoved it in the toaster, so voila. Just think of it like kind of like it has some blue cheese in it.
Mom, what happened?
What happened?
One
I
week before, you weren't like this, not caring about the world and me.
oh, I care, but I also care about me. I'm busy. You have two hands. Go make your own breakfast if you're not happy.
I?
Yeah,
I
you.
don't know how to. It's all these kitchen appliances, they're overwhelming. I mean, what's that?
Uh, oh, that one, that's an immersion blender. You put it in like, liquid stuff, you hit the blend, it will make things creamier. Great for soups. You, you know,
Mom, I can't do this without you.
of course you can. You're a smart kid. Y- You got brains. You got smarts. Everybody knows what you did because you're one smart kid. You can fix all the math problems. You can recite all those speeches. Everyone knows all the things that you did because you're one crazy smart kid.
Nice.
So you can figure out the kitchen. In fact, you can even make chicken. And then everybody will know that you did because you're one crazy smart kid.
Beautiful. Babette, I want to hear what she has to say.
I see you believe in me, and I feel it. I could do it, maybe. Mom, I don't know if I could do it without you. Maybe. I don't know if I can be all alone. Maybe I'm just a little too young or too old for this. Please help me figure out the kitchen stuff. Please help me. Because I think like me, maybe.
Oh, Bettina, you need to be more independent. You can't keep relying on mommy dearest to help you out of your problems. There's a thing called you're always on your computer. Google it.
Okay,
You can just scan and Google it. I'm sure that works, right?
okay, mommy.
Okay, mommy's gonna go get a nap now.
Bettina and her friend at the cafe. So she wouldn't even help you, like, put stuff in the toaster oven?
No, she said she has to do Pilates now.
What's going on with her? She never used to be like that. Like, she was like almost a helicopter mum. She was there all the time, like watching you and what's going on and everything. What's going on?
She read a book about self-care and stuff.
Ah, they're dangerous. Those books are dangerous.
I mean, what is she doing? First, she's building me up like I'm a little career project, and I'm going to write all these things for Yale and Harvard, and I want to get there. But now I have to do my food and wash my clothes, and I don't know what to do anymore. I mean, what the hell? I thought we had our relationship figured out.
Yeah. So, I know that she's really behind you with the Yale thing and all that, but it sounds like maybe she's been talking to someone about like having to do all your washing, all your cooking, all your ironing. this self care thing. I don't know. It sounds like somebody's been talking to her or something. Who's she been seeing? Do you know? Like, has she got any new best friends or anything?
Yeah, she has a life coach now, Mariana. I mean,
That's
she seems nice. It's and I like it when she comes every weekend. Mom smiles afterwards. Okay, sometimes she cried, but I feel like she
cried.
yeah. I don't know. I mean,
Wow. So she's coming to your house. This life coach. She's like been coming over and stuff.
yeah, Mariana, she's always like visiting, and sometimes she also comes on Wednesdays, and then they go for party
Ah.
week.
Okay. It sounds like your mum's yeah, pretty heavily involved with this life coach.
Yes, she is. And I feel like we are having fun. Like Mom and I used to. They are going shopping like we were shopping pencils and stuff before. They are laughing like Mom and I.
So this Marianne character has taken your place. Is that what you're saying to me?
She's taken my life.
She's taken your place.
Here's Mom's new project. She's taken my life.
She's taken your life. She's taken your place. You used to be the one, now you have fallen from grace. She's taken your life. She's taken your place. She's taken your life
Falling
from grace.
What am I gonna do now?
I think we need to get rid of the life coach.
Mariana.
Stephanie, come on, it's time to get up. Stephanie, come on.
What?
Stephanie, come on.
What? What?
Come
What?
on, it's
What?
time to get up. What did I say about getting up early? You know, and it just gets everything moving and everything's. Oh, have you been doing? Have you been doing your face masks? Have you been doing your face
Yes,
mask?
yes, yes, yes. It's so relaxing that I just kind of like forget about waking up
Yes.
early.
Yes. Well, you're looking fabulous, darling. You're looking absolutely fabulous.
Well, thank you, Mariana.
You've never looked better.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yes. Like deciding not to make breakfast for my kid anymore, Bettina, is like God's sent.
Yes.
Like let the kid figure out breakfast. She's a smart kid.
Yes. Yes, that's exactly what I told you, darling. She's old enough now. She's old enough. You've
Yes.
got to throw them out of the nest, darling. Just
Oh,
throw them out of the nest.
oh, I wish I could just throw her out of the nest so that I don't have to I can have parties at home. I don't have
You
to.
you could have parties. You could have parties, and you could have some life coaching group sessions as well at your place. That'd be
Yes, yes, we
fantastic.
can definitely host a lot more people like for like your life coaching group sessions, can help more, empower more women. But yeah, but
Yes.
but
Yes.
Bettina's got another year or so before she goes to college, so That will have to be on hold for a while. And oh my God, that poor girl keeps complaining about burning toast, burning bread. So helpless. I swear, what do they teach them in school? No such thing as life skills.
They don't teach them any life skills at all. But listen, doesn't she have any friends she could move in with? I mean, look, this place,
No.
we could have heaps of people here. You could have a lovely life coaching session, every week. Think about
Yeah,
how much you could achieve.
I know, but the thing is, it's just that, she's still underage, so she can't really live on her own yet. And boarding school is just not really, an option right now. Her father,
What's the
don't get me
story?
started.
What's the
Oh,
story?
oh, him. He is, yeah, good for nothing, has not supported financially. I tell her he's still alive, but God, who knows? I haven't seen him since I gave birth.
Oh, darling, you've just had such a hard life. You've had
It
such a. It's
is.
been
It's
so
such.
hard.
It's been
So
so
hard.
hard. It's
Yes.
been. It's been. It hasn't been easy making money. Everything seems so tough. It's been a hard life. Everyone thinks I have it easy because I make it look so effortless. Cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ah, and cleaning up after her mess. It's been a hard life.
Been a hard life, but you know what? You know what? You're a superwoman. A superwoman. And you can fly above the clouds. You can do anything you like. You just need to be free. You need to do everything right, 'cause you're a superwoman. A superwoman. Tell me more.
Oh, I don't even know where to start. It's a hard life. Cooking, cleaning, and doing all those laundry. Picking up the calls, paying for all the bills. If it weren't for my daddy, we'd literally have no money.
So
It's
hard.
a life.
So hard.
It's a hard life
It's a hard life.
to be a single mom
To be a single mom.
to an ungrateful child.
To an ungrateful child.
You think you raise them to be mild, but they just grew up acting forever a child. You think they'd go wild, but no, they stay a child.
They're just a child and you're a superwoman. They're just a child and you're a superwoman. They're just a child and you're a superwoman. They're just a child, but you're a superwoman. You're a superwoman. to get emancipated, darling. You've got to. I know you think she's too young, but she's got to go. She's got to go. We've got to be in this business together. It's just you and me, darling. It's just the super women of the world. That's all. Come on, hun. Come on, hun. You can do it.
Yes,
You can do it.
I should definitely tell her that she needs to find her own place soon.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I should probably have to talk to the Bettina girl. No, I'll do it.
Yes. Do
I'll do
it.
it.
Do
I'll
it.
do
Do
it.
it now. Now's the time to do it.
Bettina, oh, where have you been?
I wasn't at Mariana's place. No, no.
Oh.
I was using the toaster oven.
Mm-hmm. And how come you're acting like you're hiding something? What's in your hands?
Nothing, Mom. There's nothing in my hands.
What's in your pockets?
Just a science project, Mom. It's just some chemicals and wires. it's, it's nothing dangerous. No, no, certainly
Mm-hmm.
nothing. No.
Nothing dangerous. Okay.
I'm innocent. There's nothing going on. I'm innocent. I don't want to harm anyone. Anyone. No one is gonna do me hurt.
You're hiding something. You tell me it's nothing, but you're hiding something. Say it. Say anything.
Okay, okay, I confess. I don't like this mess. You and Mariana are making. I don't like it that you are besties, that you are doing everything together. And I'm out, I'm out, I'm out, I'm out,
Oh, Bettina. It's like you've been crying. What are you saying you want out? You want to leave the house?
No, you're always misunderstanding what I'm saying. I don't want to be out. Y- You're you're the person my life evolves around.
I'm the person your life revolves around?
Yes?
My life has been evolved around you. You haven't been helping out around the house. It's like I'm the one who does the cooking. I'm the one who does the cleaning. I'm the one who does picking up after you. I ask you to make breakfast, and you keep asking me 10,000 questions.
I thought you liked it that way.
I'm tired. This has to be like, I can't keep serving you all the time. You're growing up. You have to learn how to be self sufficient.
Oh, I get
Or
that.
at least help out around the house.
It's so hard, Mom. I didn't know how hard it is. Like cleaning the floors.
Well, yeah. You haven't done any of it, and like, like this is why I keep saying shoes off.
I get you, Mom. I'm sorry I
And
didn't
this,
respect you
yeah, so
before.
this is why like Mariana suggested like having you live on your own would be like, good for you.
It was a lesson?
It was supposed to be for you to learn how to be more independent and to learn to clean up after yourself.
Oh. Mom, that doesn't. So it means you want to be still with me, but I need to help you more.
Yeah, I need you to help out. Pull your weight around the house. This is, equals.
I can do that. I
Yeah?
We
can do that.
we cut to later in Bettina's room with her best friend. So I did it exactly what you said, and there was a big fire
Oh
at her
shit!
house. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It was all. I don't know if she got out or not, but I thought, just better if she's not around, right? That Mariana, she was bad. She was bad for you and for your mum, and so
Oh,
I did it for you, Bettina. Yeah. So I don't know. I heard
and
the sirens. There was heaps of sirens coming, and fire engines and everything, and I don't think she's coming back. So you should be happy. Yeah. I don't think she's coming back.
I killed my mom's best friend.
No! No, I killed your mum's best friend.
That doesn't make it better. He's dead.
She made you upset. This I cannot have. She made you upset. So for this she must die. 'Cause you are the light of my life. You're what it's all about. She made you upset. So she had to be put down.
You are unbelievable. You are not my best friend. You are the destructor of so many lives.
No, don't say it, Bettina, don't say it. I can't live without you. I did this 'cause I love you.
You've gone too far. You've gone too far. I've gotta go. I've gone too far.
No, no, Bettina, no, don't go, Bettina, no,
Can't do this.
no, no.
Dangerous. You're crazy.
Bettina, something's terrible's happened. Mariana's house burned down. I mean,
Yeah.
like you gotta make sure like all the equipments, the appliances at home, they're not like, like turned on with anything, like poor Mariana, her house all burned down.
She's fine.
Everything's destroyed. Like, God, thank goodness, like she managed to just get out. So, well, you've been doing such a great job, like, cleaning up the house and stuff. So I have a surprise for you.
Oh, okay.
Mariana's gonna live with us. Yes, Mariana's got all her bags. Like, thank goodness she saved some of her bags. So she's gonna live with us. It's like all three of us will be so happy together. I get my best friend
I'm
and my daughter.
here. Oh, isn't it What great news. Oh, it was terrible that the house burnt down, but really there's a silver lining to the whole thing because I'm going to be here every day. I'm going to be here every day, sweetheart. You know, we can do our positive affirmations and our yoga and we'll do our juices and our smoothies and everything. I think it's going to be absolutely fantastic. It's going to be so great. Oh my God, it's going to be so good. And we're all going to be super women. Super women. Super women. Super women. Tell me about it, Steph.
Who needs men? When we're all super women. We're all super women. It's going to be great. It's going to be fine. We'll have each other's backs
All of the
the time.
time. Bettina, tell us how much you're gonna love this.
Smile, Bettina.
I'm gonna love to split the household task.
Oh, great.
I'm gonna love doing things in groups of three.
Yes!
I'm gonna love to split all the attention from mom.
Oh,
It's like just tears of joy.
tears of joy. Because we are all super
Super
women. Super women. Super women. Super women. Super women. Hey. And show.
That's it, folks.
Very good. Loved it, loved it.